Why do teenagers feel so strongly attracted to the opposite gender? Have you ever seen a teenager suddenly change because of one person? They start checking their phone again and again. They smile at one particular message. They think about that person while studying. And when that person doesn't reply, their entire mood changes. Parents may wonder, what happened to my child? But here's the real question. Why does one person suddenly become so important in a teenager's world? And why does this attraction feel so real, so powerful, sometimes even more powerful than everything else? Let's understand what is really happening. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, One Step Forward Journey. I'm an educator, mentor, and student counselor with 26 years of experience guiding students and supporting parents. And today the topic is, why do teenagers suddenly fall in love? The psychology behind teen attraction. The first point, attraction is a natural part of growing up. When children enter their teenage years, their bodies and brains begin changing rapidly. Hormones become more active, emotions become stronger, and for the first time, they may start experiencing romantic attraction. So, if your teenager develops feelings for someone, don't immediately think they are becoming distracted or going in the wrong direction. The feeling itself is not the problem. The real question is, how do they understand and handle that feeling? And the second point, why does it feel like this is the right person? This is where teenagers can become emotionally confused. Imagine someone who listens to you when nobody else does, someone who notices you, someone who makes you feel beautiful, important, special, or understood. For a teenager who is still discovering their identity, that attention can feel incredibly powerful. They may start thinking, nobody understands me like this person. This person is different from everyone else. Maybe this is true love. But sometimes, what feels like the perfect person is simply the first person who made them feel deeply seen and accepted. The feelings are real. But the teenager is still learning what those feelings actually mean. The third point, the teenage brain is still developing. This is very important for every parent to understand. Teenagers can experience emotions very instantly, but the part of the brain responsible for long-term thinking, self-control and decision making is still developing. That's why our teenagers may say, I know what I am doing, but emotionally they may not yet understand all the consequences of their decisions. This doesn't mean teenagers are immature or incapable. It simply means they need guidance while they are learning to guide themselves. And the fourth point, how can attraction affect teenagers? Sometimes it can be positive. A healthy friendship can teach them communication, respect, kindness, and emotional understanding. But when attraction becomes an obsession, it can affect their entire life. Studies may suffer, sleep may change, they may spend hours texting or checking social media, their mood may depend completely on other person's attention. One day they feel extremely happy, the next day one unanswered message can make them feel rejected and heartbroken. And when emotions become overwhelming, some teenagers may make decisions without thinking about the future. That's why this stage needs understanding, not fear. And the fifth point, what should parents do? Parents, please don't make your teenagers feel ashamed for having feelings. Don't immediately say, you are too young to know anything about love. Instead, say, I know these feelings are important to you. You can talk to me. I won't judge you, but I will help you understand them. Because when we shut the door of communication, teenagers don't stop having feelings. They simply stop sharing them with us. And when they stop talking to parents, they may start looking for answers from friends, social media, or strangers who may not always guide them in the right direction. So, parents, become the safe place your child can return to. And teenagers, remember this. Just because you feel something deeply doesn't mean you have to act on it immediately. Attraction is a feeling. Love is something that grows with time, trust, respect, responsibility, and understanding. You don't have to run away from your feelings, but you also don't have to lose yourself inside them. Protect your education, protect your dreams, protect your self-respect, because your teenage years are not only the time to discover who you are attracted to. They are the time to discover who you are. And maybe one day when you look back, you will realize the person you were desperately trying to find was never the answer to your life. The real journey was learning to understand, respect, and love yourself first. Because when you know your own worth, you won't choose someone just because they give you attention. You will choose relationships that give you respect, peace, and a future worth building. If you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like the video, share with others, and subscribe to my channel. One Step Forward Journey. Believe in yourself, keep moving forward, and take one step forward every day. Thank you all.